If you are prepping for a road trip or a camping trip and you need to have a solid additional power station for all of your tech gear, but you want something that's compact but still packs a punch, I might have the device for you. So with that said, let's check it out. Today we're checking out this 140 watt portable power station that might be exactly what you need. With 31,000 milliamp capacity, you might be like, this thing is gotta be big, right? Well, it's actually compact, TSA approved, and powerful enough to charge your laptop, phone, and more all at the same time. One of the smartest things about this model is the dual USB-C ports, a 100 watt PD3.0 and a 45 watt fast charge port. Now combine that with an 18 watt USB-A and you've got a total of 145 watt output. That's ideal for charging multiple devices without throttling speed. So whether you're working remotely, flying across the country, or spending a weekend off grid, this unit keeps everything powered up without slowing you down. Now safety-wise, this also has some features for you as well. Their 6-in-1 smart protection system covers everything from overheating to overcurrent to short circuit and low temperature scenarios. Now it's powered by some of the latest battery technology, so you're getting over 3,000 charging cycles, meaning that this thing is going to be around for the long haul. So it's going to be great for you to be able to take with you on the go on a very, very regular basis. Now, when you compare this to some of the larger battery stations that you would travel with, this one's actually pretty compact. And what's nice about it is that allows it to fit easily in your bag, and it has a built-in 70 centimeter magnetic retractable cable, which makes charging super simple wherever you are. No tangled cords, no stress. And if you're into that solar power, and you'll love this station because it has up to 100 watt solar input. So again, making it perfect for those of you who may be traveling, camping. When we travel, when we camp specifically with our trailer, we have some pretty big solar panels, and that's really nice to be able to charge this thing back up using solar power. So again, if you're into that sustainable kind of power situation, this is going to be a great option for you as well from that perspective. So for travelers, remote workers, or anybody that's just out and about wanting to have a big enough power station to be able to charge multiple devices, but don't want to hug around this kind of big monstrous thing, this is going to be a really, really great option for you. So if you're in the market for something that's compact but packs a lot of power, you should definitely be consider checking this one out. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.